Hi, let's quickly learn how to create these beautiful slides simply by typing out your ideas. In other words, creating slides from a prompt. Let's try making a slide about the impact of climate change by 2050. Head over to AI Slides on Runable, enter your prompt, and choose the inspiration that looks best for your topic. We'll go with this one. Now hit run and wait about a minute while Runable generates the perfect output for you. And there we have it. Looks fantastic. If you need to make any changes, just click the Edit button and select the image or text you want to modify. For example, to swap an image, click Replace, then either search the web, generate one with AI, or upload from your device. Need to adjust any text? Simply select it and let AI take care of the edits. You can also resize it, customize the colors, and drag it to a new position. It's really that easy. Once the presentation is ready, you can easily export it in the form of PPT, PDF, or Google Slides.